listeners, today I am going to present some topic about the co-education in this peace assembly. Dear audience, co-education is no less than punishment for Islamic society because Allah has set limits for men and women. And in religious learning, those borders are crossed. Love affair are more common among boys and girls and co-educational institutions. In the name of innovation, Reverend London Print exposes boys and girls to a sea of design because the two systems is like being in the same axis closely.